Dear students, Namaste. You are reading acids, bases and salts. In acid, bases and salt, you have read about the salt. Now, you have to study some important compound. Some important compounds. Now, first important compound is caustic soda. It is known as sodium hydroxide. Its formula is NaOH. Now, manufacturing process. What is the manufacturing process? It is manufactured by electrical process. At first, a saturated solution of common salt is prepared. It is also called brine. Aqueous solution of common salt is also called brine. And then it is taken in an electrolytic cell in which two electrodes of platinum or any other two less reactive metals are placed, and when current is passed in aqueous solution of common salt, then chemical reaction takes place. See the figure clearly. See the figure. It clearly indicates that there are two electrodes. One is anode, other is cathode. Generally, platinum rods are used because it is the most inert element or metal. A platinum rod and both are platinum rods are dipped in aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Now, if sodium chloride, aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is called brine. When current is passed, then at first sodium ion is deposited at cathode, and when sodium ion deposited at cathode, then what happens? It reacts with the water at the same time and reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and water. And other is chloride ion. Chloride ion is deposited at anode and evolves as chlorine gas. And when sodium reacts with water, then it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas evolves here. Symbol is given, hydrogen gas is evolved here. So, at anode, chlorine gas evolves, and at cathode, hydrogen gas evolves. No problem in it. One is anode, other is cathode. At anode, chlorine gas evolves. At cathode, hydrogen gas evolves. When the evolution of gas is ceased, it means reaction is complete. So, it is a magic. What is the magic? The solution was of common salt. Now this solution becomes of sodium hydroxide. Means sodium chloride solution converts into sodium hydroxide solution. Following reaction takes place. See the reaction. What happens in the reaction? At first, sodium chloride in water dissociates as Na plus and Cl minus. As it is a strong salt, so it dissociates completely into its ion. At cathode, what happens? Sodium ion gains electron and converts into sodium. At the same time, sodium reacts with water and forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas evolves and sodium hydroxide remains in the solution. At anode, Cl minus loses one electron and converts into chlorine gas, and chlorine gas evolves. So at anode, chlorine gas evolves. At cathode, hydrogen gas evolves. When evolution of gas is ceased, it means reaction is complete. Again, there is no need to say here. It clearly indicates that sodium chloride dissociates into sodium ion that you have seen in the reaction, and chloride ion is deposited at anode. You have seen in the figure here, this print is wrong. Sodium ion is deposited at cathode, that is clear, and dissolves in the water to form hydrogen gas, it is clear. Now next is properties of caustic soda. There are two types of properties. One is physical properties and other is chemical properties. At first, physical properties. Sodium hydroxide is a white deliquescent solid having melting point 591 Kelvin, means 318 degrees Celsius. It is stable towards heat, means it does not dissociate or melt easily. It is highly soluble in water and considerable amount of heat is evolved. When sodium hydroxide is added in water, then you feel that it becomes hot, just like the detergent. You have seen, if detergent is added in water, what happens? It becomes hot. Just like here, it becomes hot. Formation of number of hydrates means when it is dissolved in water, it forms hydrate. Hydrate means H2O molecule is attached with it. For example, NaH, H2O. H2O means sodium hydroxide is so what happens here? Sodium hydroxide NaOH dissolves in water and forms sodium hydroxide hydrate, dihydrate 2H2O, means two molecules of water is attached with each molecule of sodium hydroxide. So it is hydrated sodium hydroxide. Aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide is strongly alkaline due to complete dissociation. You have also read the base which is soluble in water is called alkali. Now, chemical properties of caustic soda. Chemical properties of caustic soda. As it is a strong base, so it reacts with all types of acids and form salt and water. For example, sodium hydroxide reacts with HCl to form NaCl and water. Sodium hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and water. Sodium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid and form sodium nitrate and water. Sodium hydroxide reacts with acetic acid CH3COOH and form sodium acetate CH3COONA plus water H2OO. Next, it reacts with acidic salt also to form sodium salt. So how it reacts with acidic salt? See here, sodium hydroxide reacts with magnesium sulfate. It is acidic salt. Why it is acidic salt? Because magnesium is the part of weak base and sulfate is the part of a strong acid. So it is acidic salt. NaOH reacts with magnesium sulfate to form sodium sulfate and magnesium hydroxide. So it is sodium salt. NaOH means sodium hydroxide reacts with lead chloride. It is also acidic in nature and forms sodium chloride, that is sodium salt, and lead hydroxide, weak base. Again, strong base sodium hydroxide reacts with acidic salt, ammonium chloride, and form sodium chloride, and ammonia gas evolves here. Actually, here it forms NH4OH, but again it dissociates as water and ammonia gas. So ammonia gas evolves. Now next reaction is it reacts with acidic gas to form sodium salt. Acidic gas means sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. are acidic gas, but ammonia is basic gas. So it reacts with acidic gas only, not basic gas, because it is a strong base. So sodium hydroxide, when carbon dioxide is passed in aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, then sodium carbonate is formed and water is also formed. When sulfur dioxide gas is passed in sodium hydroxide, then sodium carbonate, sodium sulfite is formed, Na2SO3. Sodium sulfite is formed and water also formed. Sodium hydroxide, when reacts with chlorine gas, then sodium chloride is formed, sodium hypochlorite is formed, and water is also formed. Sodium hypochlorite, you have read name in your TV, means it is used to sanitize the buildings or areas, etc. Usage of caustic soda, means you have to study preparation properties and usage. Now usage of caustic soda. It is used in the manufacture of soap, paper, viscous rayon, that is also known as artificial silk, organic dyestuff, and many other chemicals are manufactured here. It is also used in the refining of petroleum and vegetable oil. Vegetable oil means mustard oil, soybean oil, or other oil. It is purification. It is also used in the purification of bauxite for the extraction of aluminum, as a cleaning agent in washing powder, means sodium hydroxide is also used as cleaning agent or cleansing agent and washing powder for machines, metal sheet, etc. It is to caustic to be used in washing cloth or hands. Now, it is also used for moisturizing of cotton, and then it is also used as reagent in laboratory. It is also used in reclaiming rubber. It is also used in the preparation of soda lime. Washing soda, baking soda, etc. are also manufactured. Next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.